Hey guys, welcome to my channel Bindas Kuri here, and in today's video I'll be posting a tutorial of the video which I had posted on my Instagram reels, and many of you all liked it and asked me how it is done. So today I'll be teaching you how it is done, and it's very easy, it's very quick, and all you need is a KineMaster and a video which you can either shoot it on the uh, Instagram reels, or you can shoot it straight from the camera itself. And let's go. So first of all, I will have to go to my Instagram, and from there I will go to reels, drafts, where I have saved my video. Then I will open it, and yeah, this is the video. So I will save this. So processing. Yeah, it is saved. Now I'll go back to my, here's my KineMaster here. Yeah. So it is here, and now I will be selecting the 9:16 ratio, and from there select the media. Then I will go to the video, but due to the copyright sounds I will not post the sound. It is right in the Instagram reel. You can go to my profile, you can go below down of the video, you can see the sound. It is talking to the moon, so you can get the sound from there, but because of copyright issues I will not post it here. And here I will select it, and then I will go to the layer, and after layer what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to media and select the image. I will drag it this, and then I will enable the chroma key. Make sure your image is a little lighter and a little blur because it has to blend well into the video. So yeah, so this is the first image I have added. Now let's go to the next one, layer, media, and select the second image, drag it. I will make it a little smaller because I just need in small I just need a flashbacks of it. So yeah, I will just drag it, adjust it according to the frame I need, and then enable the chroma key. Now this image looks a little darker, so I just drag it a little, and then again go to the image, layer, media, and then the third image, and it keeps on going. So I will just fast forward it here. Yes. So we just have to repeat the same step. That is, we have to go to the layer, then we have to go to media, then we have to go to the select the image and drag it into the proper frame, and then enable the chroma key. And if it is a little darker, then you need to make it a little lighter by sliding the first option to the right. So yeah, that's how it is done. And make sure there are no gaps in between the slides because that can spoil your whole video. So yeah, now I'm adding the fourth image, and one more image I will add because it will complete my video. So altogether I've added 5 images. Here's the fifth video. Yep. Just let me drag it. Now let's go to enable chroma key, enable it, and yeah, it's done. Let's play and see. Okay, a little adjustment has to be done from here, and it is done. So let's play again and see. Okay, that looks perfect. Yeah, so that looks perfect. I will save it, I will export it. Now, yes, it is export, and all I have to do is I have to go on my Instagram, And after I go to my Instagram, I will select the sound, and under the sound I will use the sound, or I will go under the sound and import the video there. So that is it, guys. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, do share it with your friends as well. Do try it out and tag me in the video. That would be great if you do it. And yeah, see you guys until the next video. Bye bye.